Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel again. If you are looking for how to delete TikTok account, then this video is for you. Many of us are getting bored in TikTok, so many people want to delete TikTok apps. Firstly, you need to go TikTok apps. After that, you need to go on me option. After that, you will see top of the right corner 3 dot, then you need to click on it. After that, you will see manage my account, then click on it. After that, you will see your phone number, email, password. Switch to pro account, and middle of the bottom corner you will see delete account option. Then if you want to delete, you need to press on delete account. After that, on your number will send verification code. Then you will see send code option, then press on send code. After getting the code, you need to put it on that bar. After put the verification code, you need to click on continue. So I give my code. Then TikTok will show you that confirmation message. If you want to delete, then you need to read this. Then after that, if you want to delete, then simply press on delete account. I hope you are enjoying this video. Then if you get any help from this video, don't forget to thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye, we'll see you in the next video.